Welcome to genNEXT at Home, Nature Photography. Hi, I'm Carl Scott. I'm the executive producer for Fuel Media Services, a division of 24G. I work to keep our video productions on track, from scheduling crews, to talent, to edits, and of course, the budget. It's a lot of work. Things move fast around here, but when you see the results, it's amazing. Imagine planning a video production, getting on a plane, traveling across the country, working the shoot, traveling back, and then working with our editors to deliver the final project under some pretty tight deadlines. Like I said, amazing. When it's finally time to relax, after many busy weeks, I enjoy my hobby, photography. I appreciate all types of subject matter, from concerts, to air shows, to cities at night, action figures, and of course, nature. Speaking of nature photography, you can aim for the sky and get a great sunset. You could capture plants, like flowers, which have plenty of cool textures and colors. You can even go as small as a bee on a flower. But do be careful, getting stung hurts. I use a variety of cameras to capture my photos, like this DSLR, a pocket point and shoot, all the way to my smartphone. For this demonstration, I'm going to go with my point and shoot because I like the macro function for getting high quality close-ups. Once again, nature photography gives us plenty of options, so think of a subject you want to capture. It's spring right now, and there are lots of plants growing, so I'm choosing plants. No matter what you decide, it's up to you to capture the art of nature. There are plenty of places to take nature photos, from several local parks to your own backyard. I chose a nice wooded park near my house to capture some plants. It's still a little early for wildflowers, but look at these crabapple flowers that I captured. First, a macro shot, then an entire branch, and then the entire tree. You can try different framing techniques and focal lengths, which keeps photography interesting. Sometimes the best shot isn't the most obvious one, and if you try looking at subjects from different angles, it'll give you some great ideas and greater perspective. It's nice to get outside, away from the computers, TVs, and other distractions. Listening to the birds or the wind in the trees can be very calming, and I encourage you to go out and give it a try. Just remember to take someone along and stick together. Friends and family make these trips way more fun and safe. Okay, let's see what you can do. Use the 24genNEXT hashtag on your nature photography to be featured in an upcoming edition. Good luck and happy shooting.